everyone, episode 1 of Teach Kari How. Today we're gonna learn how to crochet. As you can see, we're in a different space. What is this space called?
The Oasis.
What?
This is where I come to do my art stuff.
This is where the art stuff is. So there's yarn and a sewing machine that's never been used, and magazines.
I'm gonna use it eventually.
And desks. Desks.
It's like Jesus, but then you just put the apostrophe. Desk.
There are desks?
I think.
No.
That's doesn't sound right.
Desks. And there I don't know how to say it. There are snow globes, there are markers and color pencils and
pens and paint.
Tons of stuff. If you're ever bored
Crochet,
and you
knitting.
just need something to do, come here to fulfill all your art needs. This is Destiny, by the way. This is my sister. She's gonna teach me how to crochet something. What are we gonna make?
You have to decide. You can either make a doll or a blanket.
A blanket. Not an unfinished blanket.
Or a ball. Or you can make a pot holder or something. I don't hold pots.
Okay.
I've never made a pot holder.
I think I would like to make a ball.
Okay.
Is that hard?
It might be hard for you, but
I have
you gotta pick your yarn colors.
this one.
You need another one.
I kind of like this cobalt. Let's use this. These are my colors. I got a fat, what's it called? Hook.
Crochet hook.
Fat crochet hook in 2 colors. So this is what you'll need if you would like to follow along in the demonstration.
I'm gonna use pink and black.
Pink and black.
Okay. Wait, no, I'm gonna get pink and blue.
Pink and blue. Classic.
I'm gonna get the pink and blue. So first you take your 2 colors, the ends of your 2 colors, find the end.
I'm not ready.
Don't do that.
Wait. So we move the camera so you can see. Hopefully. Wait, I lost my hook.
Come on.
Shh. Alright, so I had to get the ends of both.
And then you line them up like
Don't be
that.
talking to me like this.
Make a slip knot.
A slip knot.
So you go like this. You wrap it around 2 fingers.
That's 3.
No, I just did that by accident. 2 fingers. You're gonna give yourself a little bit of a tail.
Okay.
So wrap it around 2 fingers and make an X like this. And then you're gonna take your hook. You're gonna put it under the X. Can you see that?
Hold up.
So, did you wrap it around? Okay, now take your hook, put it under the X. So under the X.
Wait, yours is...
Make a better X.
Which way do I come from?
Okay, so hold it in your hand like this. So lay it across your hand.
Alright.
Now wrap it around 2 fingers.
Okay.
And you're gonna have an X. So, right there. Yep, like that.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take your hook and put it this way under the X. Like that. And now you're gonna come back up. So come over here. Just pull it over here. This side. No, other side. Make your X better.
Better than what?
There you go. Alright, now you're gonna take it. Take it and pull. Hold on. Look, so this is what you're gonna do. This is the tail part. You're supposed to be pulling from the tail.
Okay.
So that's wrong.
Oh, Jesus. Can we do something else?
No, here. There you go. Alright, so you're gonna pull the tail through. Like that. So you're just gonna pull it through. And then you're gonna have this loop like that.
Oh, it's supposed to be... Huh?
You're gonna have a loop like that.
Huh?
Okay. And then, well, I'm just gonna show the camera and then I'll help you.
Like this?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Put your hook through this.
Okay.
Nope.
Ooh.
Just put it in there.
Ooh.
The whole hook needs to go on.
Ooh.
The whole hook. Alright, now you're gonna pull the tail, the part that's not connected to the ball of yarn. Pull it and that's gonna tighten it to the hook.
Got it.
Great. Alright. So now the tail, you're not gonna use that for the rest of the time.
Oh.
So that's the end. That's the end for the tail. So now, you can start crocheting.
It's supposed to be really close to it?
What? Yes, you want it close to your hook.
It's not close.
So pull it some more.
I
pull
cannot.
The tail. There you go. But don't make it too tight because it's gonna make it harder for you. So just pull it down. I would make it tight because I know what I'm doing, but you don't know what you're doing. So
you're a professional old lady.
Alright, whatever. So now you're gonna start crocheting. So I'm gonna tell you.
What the frick that supposed to mean?
So to start off your ball, you can either make a loop stitch or you can crochet into 2 stitches. So I'm gonna tell you.
You saw this terminology like I know.
Okay, so we're gonna make a loop stitch. That's the easiest one. So first, to start crocheting, you're gonna put your. I'm left-handed, so and you're right-handed, so it's gonna be a little bit different.
Oh jeez.
But you're gonna go like this. It's the same thing, you just in a different hand. So put your hook on top of the yarn that you're holding. You're gonna have to find the way that's most comfortable for you to hold your yarn. So like that, and then you're just gonna pull down into the loop, and then you got a new one on your hook.
What?
So pull. You see, you have these 2. You want to have 2 in your hook the whole time. So pull that down, and then you're only gonna have 2 left.
I don't want to do this anymore.
One more. You have 3, so that means you didn't pull all of them.
Jesus Christ. There's still 3.
Alright, just start over. Do it again. On top of the yarn, hook it, and then hold this right here.
Hold what?
The stitches that you already made. You didn't make any yet. Okay. The tail. Let me make your first stitch. Just hold that.
Okay.
Alright. So look. You go like this, you put it on top of the yarn, and then you just pull down. On top of the yarn, pull down. On top.
Pull what down?
Pull the hook down into the other. Alright, look.
I cannot.
Look. Hold the stitch. Okay, now put your hook on top of the yarn that's connected to the ball.
Hold up. Ooh.
I think we should make a pie holder.
Oh,
good job.
Okay.
Alright, we're switching to a pie holder because the circle's gonna be.
I don't want to make a ball.
That's what you're making.
I like to make a ball, please.
Kari, you can't do it. It's gonna be too hard. It's gonna be too
the same, correct? Wait, watch me do it again.
It's not the same.
It is?
You're gonna have to make a circle.
Ah!
Good.
2 for 2.
Alright, anyway.
Hold up.
So we're gonna make 6 stitches there. So
Hold
we're
up.
gonna make a ball.
Hold up.
How many do you have so far?
Right. Wait.
Can we just make a pie holder?
Yeah.
Kari, you can't hold the yarn like that when you're making a ball. You just can't. You can't hold it. It's not gonna work.
Can we make a yarmulke? What do you call it? Yeah, the little hat thing.
A circle is gonna be too hard for you. You can make that in another video where you get a little bit better. We're gonna make a pot holder.
Fine.
Alright. So you can make as many stitches as you want, as big as you want your pot holder. So just keep going until you want to stop.
How big is the pot?
Just as big as you want. It's okay. Give it to me. I'm confused now. Oh, there it is.
I think I messed it up.
No, you straight.
This I know is true when I look at you. Very special, you're special too.
You flipped it.
What does that mean?
Okay, so there's 2 sides of it. So there's a flat side that looks like a braid, and then there's a side that's bumpy that looks like this. You flipped it, so now your flat side is with the bumpy side, and the bumpy side with the flat side.
You should have explained that before I started stitching.
I didn't think that you were gonna take your hook out of the yarn. It's
Same
just gonna be a little bit
myself.
harder for you. But
Like it's not already hard now.
Alright, so just keep going. What you doing?
Did I mess it up again? The yarn split in half.
What do you mean?
The yarn split in half.
The yarn strand itself?
Yes.
You're fine.
I'm be talking about the grading too.
I'm not. That's just actually a simple question.
I'm a head teacher. It's fine. It's fine. Just erase.
What did you do? What What did you do,
It
bro?
came out again.
Where is it?
I freaking don't know, man. This is just
Kari.
ridiculous. I don't know how old people do this.
It's right here. Now we just gotta find the hook. It's all the way back here.
This is like baby colors.
You're a baby, so it makes sense. It's so funny. And you tangled up the yarns together.
This is left-handed yarn.
Okay.
I can't freaking do it.
Alright, here. I'm just gonna fix yours and then I'll give it back to you. Okay? No, you're gonna mess that one up too. Stop.
I'm not.
You're gonna mess it up. Just stop.
I'm doing it.
Here.
Ooh.
Here's yours. It's fixed. Have that. You don't have to make that many stitches. You can stitch whenever you want.
Don't try to tell me I can make how many I want. What?
You know you saying nothing, bro. How many I want? What?
Don't try to tell me to make a little bit of stitches because I don't know how to do it. Let me learn.
I made 22 stitches, so you can stop at 22.
I don't know what that means.
Let me see how many you have.
I'm telling you, taking my yarn from me.
I'm just gonna stop now. Wait for you to finish.
I gotta get in the groove.
Right.
Okay, now I have plenty of stitches.
Alright. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna have to stitch one more.
Just said we had plenty.
Yeah, but this is a turning stitch.
A what?
Turning, because you're gonna turn. Now you're gonna start crocheting into this. Alright, and then you're gonna take your hook, and you see this, the second stitch right here. So 1, 2. You're gonna take your hook, and you're gonna put it in the top loop of that. So take your hook and put it in this hole.
Oh, that's not why.
Because that's what you do. Both. Okay.
Both of what?
Now you're gonna take your your working yarn. That's what you call it, the yarn that's connected to the ball. You're gonna hook it onto your hook.
What?
So just take the yarn and put it on your hook. Yep. Okay. And you're gonna pull it down through these two. No.
What?
Why are you pulling it up instead of putting your yarn down?
What are you talking about?
Okay, that's fine. I'll just do it. So this is what you're doing. You're taking these two.
That's what I was doing.
Okay. Like that. And then you're going to take these two and pull it through these.
What are you even saying?
Take these. So now you want...
I don't want to do this anymore. I don't understand why you find this fun.
Alright, now you're going to do it again to the next one.
Lord.
So that's all you're doing.
All day? All day. That's what we doing?
Mm-hmm. So, next, it's different for this one. Mm-hmm. Are you so mad about it? Now, okay, no, it's different. So now you're gonna take the yarn again and then go through both. So put it in, pull through, then hook, pull through two. Put it in, pull through, hook, pull through two. And you're gonna get something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Kari, you're not doing it. Come on.
I cannot.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
That's not talking about like so many stitches. Like, okay, you got 4 right now. So now you're gonna pull some yarn and then pull through both of these.
Both of the what?
So all 4 of these at the bottom.
Oh, all at once.
Mhm. You're not supposed to be. You're supposed to use your hook to do it, not your finger. It'll be a lot easier and faster. But okay. All
This
right.
look like a knot.
Well, crocheting is just a bunch of knots.
But it looks like an ugly knot. Look at this. Because this don't even look good. That's hers. Man, it fell off the stick again. Look. This is... I don't even feel like I should continue at this.
Yes, you should.
Why should
You
I?
teach people to give up just because it's hard.
I teach people to go to the store and just buy it.
Put your hook in. Pull through. Yarn over. That's what you call when you grab some yarn. And then pull through 2. Hook in. Yarn over.
This is boring.
Yarn over, pull through 2. Hook in. Pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Hook in. Pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2.
I can't do it.
You didn't even try. You haven't even tried.
I tried. This is what I got.
Let me see if it's fixable. Oh man.
If it's fixable. Listen, kids. It's a reason why this is for old people.
They're just all tight. Here, okay. For you.
I think we're gonna end this video right here because we proved that Kari cannot crochet.
Show them your word.
I didn't even do that. You did that.
Oh.
I did this part. And then she made this fat nugget looking thing. And I don't know how to do that.
That's because I'm trying to fix yours.
Look, guys. We tried something. And that was productive enough. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All my social medias will be down below. Do you have social media?
Not really.
Okay. All my social medias will be down below. Make sure you guys turn on the push notifications, hit the bell so you know when I post a new video. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Everyone is special. This I know it is true.